Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be another Walmart's favorites. So this is the one I got today. It's really big. This one is the Influence by Nature. At first when I saw this, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it said Nathan. So I was like, wait, is this like for males only? Like, you know what I mean? Because I thought it was like masculine. But it's Nature, and it says feel good ingredients, feel great results. And then you kind of open it up like this, and then this is what it looks like. So I feel like this box is the bigger box that I have gone since I started doing the videos for these Walmart favorites. If you guys are new to my channel, I have been doing, this is the third box that I'm going to review for you guys. The first one I did was like the skincare one. The second one I did was like a lip products, like lipsticks and glosses and stuff like that. And then this one is the one that we are going to do today. But looking at this, I'm missing something from this box, and I feel like it's missing. I'm hoping it's in there somewhere, but I feel like somebody stole into this box and took that out. So that's the only sad thing about it. I'm really pissed off about that a little bit, because I didn't realize it until I paid for it, and I thought everything was in there. So that's what sucks about it. But okay, I'm gonna say this for me personally. Like, I feel like Walmart, not all Walmarts have these boxes, because the Walmart in my town doesn't have them. They don't carry them, or at least not that I've seen. So the Walmart that I had to go to was a 30-minute drive from where I live. And so first of all, looking at this box, they had one for males only, and I know that one of my someone comments on one of my videos saying that they had some boxes that were for males also. So it's just a heads up, there is some for women and some for men. And then this one, I believe it's for both. Like, this one I feel is like for a family, like, you know, like your husband, your boyfriend, your fiance, like, it doesn't have to have like a gender on this. It's like for anybody. So this is the reason why I got this one. They did have the male one, but I was like, I kind of want something that's like for me, or like my girls, you know what I mean? So this is what I saw. This is one of the boxes. They didn't have this last time. Every time I go, they always have like a different box that I haven't seen before. So yeah, they did have one for nails, and I didn't want to do the nail one because, as you guys know, I get my nails done all the time. But yeah. Okay, I don't even know what I was saying before my daughter came in, but anyway, so yeah, I'm upset because one of the things is missing, like somebody stole it, and what's stolen is this right here, this one right here, which is the Mrs. Mayer Clean Day Lavender Scent Hand Sanitizer. And that's something that I wanted to try because I heard a lot of good things about the cleaning stuff from that company. So I'm kind of like mad about that. So oh well, maybe I'll just find it. Maybe I can just buy it separate. So we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what's in here. But like I said before, because I don't know where I was cut off from, I wanted to get something that was like for everybody. So it was like, there was just everybody, like, you know. This box I'm gonna show you guys is this right here. I am so excited for this. That's because me and the girls were at Walmart and we were talking about buying some charcoal for our mouths just to make our teeth whiter and stuff like that, which I've never heard of this brand, so I'm actually really excited to try this. This is called Naturally Friendly Hello Activated Charcoal with fresh mint plus coconut oil. It's a fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. It whitens really naturally, removes plaque, freshens breath, and tastes awesome. And it says there is no artificial sweeteners, no dyes, no SLS, sulfates, no brainer. And it says never tested on animals, which is right here, which is pretty cool. And I've never seen anything like this. I didn't even know they sold something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up because I want to see what the toothpaste looks like, since I'm going to use it tonight anyway. It is nighttime, guys. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Oh, that is so cool. So this is what it looks like. It's really nice. I wouldn't have thought that this was like toothpaste for that. And let's see. It is sealed, obviously, but I always check it because the last box I got, like, some of the products weren't sealed. Some of them do have like a little X like this, you see. I didn't know what it was, but one of my I don't know if she was like one of my subscribers, but somebody commented saying that this right here means that you can't return it. So I guess like some people are sneaky like that, like they'll buy boxes like this and then they'll take the products just to get money per each item, because this box is worth, it says $321, which I believe, because these products that I see, some of them are full, like full what is it, not sample sizes, they're like, my mind went blank, full sizes. You know what I mean? So I'm so excited to try this, so I cannot wait. And the next thing I want to talk about is it comes with coconut milk vitamin E body wash, which looks like this, which I love stocking up on stuff like this, because sometimes, you know, sometimes you run out of body wash and you're too busy and you're like, oh my god, I go to the store, and it's just, I have like so many stuff like this. I just kind of go in my little organizer and just kind of, I have like organized on body washes, lotions and stuff like that. So this is really cool, and I can't wait to try this also, because I love anything with vitamin E and coconut. So that's what that looks like. I've never tried this brand, so I'm excited for that. I've seen this in full size. This is a shampoo. It's Love Beauty and Planet coconut water and mimosa flower volume and bounty shampoo, which looks like this, and it does have an X on here as well, so that way you can't return it. I like, ooh, it smells so good. I love anything with coconut. I can smell the coconut in this. It smells really, really good. I cannot wait to try this out. So that's that. But what the cool thing about it is that this little thing doesn't only just give you the shampoo, it actually gives you the conditioner as well. It looks like this, and also comes with a little X so you can't return it. I like this little sample sizes because, you know, traveling wise, you get to put this and you get to go. I'm going to Washington in May, so maybe a lot of this stuff that I can use on my way over there, and that's really, really cool. Not wait to try. This is cremo. It's called cremo, and which is cream, and it is a astonishingly, really, bro, it's really late, superior made moisturizing formula, concentrated shaved cream, coconut and mango. Wow, I love coconut, and I love mango. So it says impossibly slick formula dramatically reduces nicks and razor irritation, which is cool, and can give you the closest, most comfortable shave, which I cannot wait to try this, because me and the girls, you know, we shave our legs and stuff like that. I don't do it a lot, only because people will be like, what? My hair doesn't grow, guys. Like, my hair, I can shave my legs every like 3 months, sometimes even 4. I don't have arm naturally on my arms at all. Maybe it's because, I don't know, I have like Indian blood or something, but I'm not a hairy person. So that, and under my arms, I actually go get them waxed. But this, I cannot wait to try for my legs when I do need to, or for my girls when they shave, you know, underneath their armpits or their legs. That way, maybe this will help with no little bumps or anything like that. So I can't wait to try this. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm so excited for that. And maybe, I'm wondering, it probably help with the boys as well, because it doesn't say anything about girls or anything like that. Like, only, I'm wondering if it'll help like with like facial hair and stuff like that. So this one is another one. I didn't take this little glue off of here, but this is called Everyone for Every Body Soap with plant extracts, pure essential oils, 3-in-1 shampoo, body wash, and bubble bath, coconut and lemon. Right now, I've been seeing a lot of new product coming out with stuff with lemon in it and coconut. So I'm so excited to try this. I have never tried this brand either. This is really cool. I like this whole little set, because I feel like if you're going on a trip coming up or anything like that, or like a weekend, or you're gonna go see your boo, or you're gonna go, I don't know, wherever you plan on going, like all the little sizes, like this is awesome because it comes with everything, and it's so like, of course this I'm pretty sure you can't take on the plane if you're gonna be on a plane because it's not a small size, but I'm pretty sure you can buy like a little clear one from Sally's and just fill it up. But either way, like, these little products are really nice, and I haven't tried any of these so far, and I cannot wait to try that. And this one doesn't have an X on it because there's no barcode, and all of this is sealed, which I'm happy. I'm just so sad still that I didn't get to get that other thing that somebody freaking stole from this box. The next thing is, oh yes, this is a moisturizing, it's a, I don't know if I tried this brand, maybe I had a long time ago, but this is a deep conditioner, like a hair mask, which I am so fucking excited for this, because you guys know I bleach my hair like once a month, twice a month, and yeah, it takes a toll out of it. My scalp starts like itching if you ever see me do this, because my hair is like irritated. I don't know why my body has been changing, like I started getting like really like flaky out here. And yeah, so I always get like, it looks like dandruff, but actually it's just dry scalp, my hairstylist was telling me. And so like this, something like this, I cannot wait to try, so I'm excited for that. And it's something I'm excited for. Now I use OGX shampoo and conditioner, and I've been using them for a while now, and I actually like it. The girls use tea tree oil one, just that way it helps. That way they won't get any lice from like school, because I mean I've been getting letters a lot that school have been, you know, infested with them and stuff. So I always use like tea tree oil on the girl and gel and hairspray and all that stuff, so they can prevent it from happening. And I notice like sometimes it gets like their hair really like oily and doesn't really like look good. And I've been wanting to try the charcoal, and I heard OGX has a charcoal one, and I was gonna get it, which is weird because Walgreens carries it for $9.99 or something like that per shampoo and conditioner. I do get discount because, you know, you have a little card or whatever, my brother works there, but they have it at Walmart for $6.99 each. And then this box comes with the herbal essence, and this one actually is a black charcoal shampoo, which I cannot wait to try this. It says that it is a detox black charcoal shampoo, 0% paraben, gluten, silicone. Like, wow, that's really cool. And then it says the shampoo was made in the plant that matches electricity and washable wind credits. I can't really see that but oh, I want to see what it smells like. Oh my god, it smells so fucking good. Oh my god. Okay, so it's not sealed, which sucks, but I'm not even gonna complain about it. It literally, okay, I don't know if I'm the only female that feels this way, but I love any kind of like masculine scent, like, you know, like colognes that smell like, you know, guys, and the shampoo body washes smell like guys, and all that for the men. This is exactly what it smells like, and I am okay smelling like a man. I'm gonna put it out there. I love that masculine scent, and like I would buy like from what is it called, Scentsy, when they would sell like air fresheners and stuff like that, and they have one that smells like a man's cologne. Oh my god, you would always buy that scent. I think Bath and Body Works has a scent, something like that. This is what it reminds me of, and it smells fucking good. And it doesn't say for men or anything like that, so oh, I cannot wait to try this. I'm so freaking excited for this. If I love the way it feels on my hair or anything like that, I am definitely going to be getting the conditioner if they have it. I'm pretty sure, because I always have like the same thing, shampoo and conditioner, for this, because this fucking smells good and it has a little X. So I am so excited for this. So anyway, guys, I know that I kind of went off a little bit on every product. I know some people are always like, can you just get to the point and do this and this? No, bitch, I'm not. I'm going to talk about the products. I'm going to tell you what I feel, if I've tried it or not. If you don't like it, then you can click off, because I'm going to put it on there. I was right, I was talking too much, but I don't really care. This is how I feel. This is my channel. This is my channel, and this is how I'm going to tell you on all these products. Now, unfortunately, I can't tell you about one of the products because apparently it wasn't in this box. I should have looked at it before I even grabbed it, but I was kind of like excited because there was only like a few of these boxes, and I literally, like, the other one was for a guy. So that being said, I hopefully get to find that product and maybe we can try it out on its own. But other than that, I really like this box. Out of all the boxes that I have gotten, I'm gonna have to say this one is tied with the skincare one, because I really liked it. The lip one wasn't my favorite, although I was like the one more excited for that. When I first saw these boxes, I was like, oh, because I'm a lipstick girl. But I actually like this one. Like, this one, I kind of feel like it's kind of beating the skin one a little bit, but my skin was going through something when I got that box. But I am so fucking excited for this. So this box, I have to say, it's probably a little bit higher than the skin box, and then the skin box, and then the lip one. So again, I'll be doing these again once I find the other ones. I'm gonna do a male one, just in case you guys are looking for something for your husband or your boyfriend or your fiance, or if you're a guy and you're watching this and you want to see me get a one for you guys, I do not mind doing that, because I do have brothers and I do have Dan. He's there. I can give all that the man stuff for him. And yeah, that is about it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.